Today we're just going to be reviewing some sight words. First you'll say a word slowly, then you'll say it fast. Listen. It. Say it slowly. Get ready. It. What word? It. Listen. On. Say it slowly. Get ready. On. What word? On. Listen. Sat. Say it slowly. Get ready. Sat. What word? Sat. Listen. Lid. Say it slowly. Get ready. Lid. What word? Lid. Listen. Sam. Say it slowly. Get ready. Sam. What word? Sam. Listen. It. Say it slowly. Get ready. It. What word? Mit. Those are our sight words for today. Thank you for practicing with me.